Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to change your GPS locations on your Android phone. It's a pretty quick and easy method, so I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First, go to your Play Store, click the search bar and search Location Changer. Click the second one and install. After the installations, click open button, click yes. While using, allow the app. On. Okay. Now show map. You can see my current location is here, but I changed my locations. So I just go to Afghanistan. Click Afghanistan and start. Yes. You can search a developer options. Click the developer options. Now you can see the option select Mock location app. Click this. Click the location. And now go back. Click the start button. Click yes. And now go to your Google Map. Click the current location. And now you can see my current locations. Now you can see my current location in Afghanistan. Follow this step, you can change your GPS easily. It's a pretty quick and easy method. So please subscribe my channel and like my video.